Hi, my name is Amar and I'm doing part two of this review of Designcap. And yesterday I had used Safari browser, which had some quirks and issues. So today using Firefox to see if there are similar issues that we encounter or was that one off. So let's take a quick recap of Designcap again. Today I will try probably a banner um, called leaderboard, and then also maybe a Facebook cover that we will take a look at. Charts also I want to experiment with to see how that works out. So in this short video, probably we will do one, at the most two of the activities, um, and not really go too nuts with it. When we look at the leaderboard, 728 by 90 could be a nice footer or a banner. There are about 44 odd templates in this. And what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to create a random uh, infographic based on I'm just going to create a random infographic based on one of these templates. So let's see which one comes up. We'll just do travel. I used one earlier. Probably just continue with that one because it worked out rather well. Uh, let's try real estate. This is the one that I had chosen earlier. And what I'm going to do is that just change this to a new podcast that we are looking to launch at Kata Story. Probably pump this up a little bit. And maybe just move this over here. And we will increase the font size, maybe make it a little bit bold. Let's see how that will pan out. We'll come to that in a minute. There you go. So this is fine. I would probably bump this up a little bit as well. Let's see how it impacts the overall. Yep. And then I have a few files uploaded. You can see here 4 out of 1,000 assets, pre-built ones saved. So, oops. There we go. Something like this. Or maybe the Kata Story logo goes, oops, again. Maybe not. Maybe bang in the middle. I think that's the best location for it, so we'll probably just stick with it there. So yeah, there you go. As usual, we download it. We call it TV banner. We go at the largest size, which is 4 times actually. We can always compress it, and there you go. Asset is ready, done. So that worked out pretty easy. I will take a look at one of the categories now, pre-built categories. So let's see if we want to do a report. So let's say we just want to go ahead and do a marketing report. So somehow it's a little slow to load rate, probably because of my internet speed. But there we go, it's nicely loaded up. We've got 76 templates here. And we will say commerce. So let me just delete this. let's say August 2020. We'll make it something better. We will call it Snazzy Socials. Okay, and then we go ahead and add the logo. Probably change the image. All right. Next page would be how quickly can we change the assets? Probably I'll just say dog. Let's look for images of dogs. And there is a brown fox, brown dog here. Probably just moving back to back. And just because it looks so sad, he probably says like this. No? We bump this guy up here and this guy up here. So pretty easy, convenient to make a report. And then this one probably should go as a PDF. So test report, make it as a large, and we download it as a PDF. With so many assets, let's look at the file size, which again conversion takes some time because it is asset heavy. And we have asked them to bump up the size. It takes a little bit of work, doesn't it? So anyway, in the meantime, let's move on to some other features. So image feature is fine. 7.7 megabytes is what I got. So let's take a look at the report. Now that's opened up for us. So logo's fine. Some of the changes that we made is looking fine. Font's readable. So yeah, nice, snazzy looking report. I like this feature. Going back to the templates again. That's another thing. Every time I click on the Designcap logo, it ends up opening a new tab. So this is something that I had made for my guitar podcast. I'll probably just move it up a little bit. I was working on it before I shot this video. So yeah, there you go. Something like this. Yeah, and again, very easy to download as so MK. There we go. So it's all done. So pretty convenient that way. Should you try it? Absolutely, you should. I think the basic version is pretty limited in its features. We had the pricing somewhere over here. Coming back to the pricing, the free version actually gives you a set of templates. You can do JPG, export only, not PNG, and things like that. This is what you can do with the paid plan. The plan that I'm using right now, the trial plan, is the plus plan up to December. I get to use it, and custom fonts and things like that, right? So not too bad. What happens when you pay annually? $9 and $13 a month. That's a bit of a